here it is. The snow has arrived. It's 2018, a new year. We're coming to you live from Crown Heights, and it's snowing. I mean, I don't know. I can't see any cars right now, and the weather is just very. You just be careful and be safe. Okay. I mean, the traffic right now is. The roads are just clear, but if you do need to be driving, I mean, really try not to and be safe. Until then, this is Brooklyn Beauty TV, and we're coming to you live from Crown Heights, and let me tell you, we got snow. It's a storm, so be warm and be safe. Bye-bye.